We are pleased to show you the 2020 Z8. If you are looking for a rare car, the Z8 is it. BMW only produced 1,400 of these beauties. The Z8 has everything except you sitting behind the driver's seat and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.